Hello, everyone. This is Kerwin, and welcome to an episode of Travel Talk. And today we're going to talk about what can I bring in my carry-on bag. Let's go. So this is a pretty common question that people do ask, and the gone are the days when you could just take whatever you feel like, right? But nowadays, the main thing that you can't take is anything that can cut someone or stick someone, and also no liquids. Now, the best way to figure out what you can take in your carry-on is to go to tsa.gov if you're in the United States, and that will give you a list of things that you can take in the carry-on. This is pretty much standard worldwide, but if you're in other countries, and you can check, usually there's some kind of governing body that governs the airport and transportation, and you can check that. And they will tell you what you can bring. Now, you can carry clothes, of course. You can carry your shoes, your computer, and depending on where you go, you're gonna have to take the computer out and put it separately because the machines may not have a facility to verify that it is a computer and all that kind of good stuff. But definitely liquids. Some places that are worldwide, you can actually go take, you don't have to take your liquids out. Like if you're in, I think I was in Saudi, where was it, Riyadh, and I didn't have to take my liquids out. I was also in Helsinki, Finland, and didn't have to take my liquids out. And they're testing it in the UK at the moment. And pretty soon, in the US, they'll do the same. But for now, it's 3.4 fluid ounces or 100 mil is the amount, and it has to be in this ridiculous plastic bag that they have. But if you have TSA pre, you still have the liquid restrictions, but you don't have to you don't have to take them out and put them in a separate bag and things like that. Other things you can bring: clothing, books, toiletry, and baby stuff. Now, when you bring, you can actually bring more baby formula in liquid form than you need, than the 3.5 ounces or 3.4 fluid ounces, 100 mil. But they have to test it. So they have something that they pour some of it out and they test it and make sure it's okay. And when it's good, then you're good to go. So that's how you can do that. I think that's about all the stuff. But basically, no sharp objects is kind of what you can't put in there. No firearms. You can take a firearm when you travel, but it has to be locked. The trigger has to be locked. It has to have no bullets in it, and it have to be in a case that's also locked. And then you transport it slightly differently. The airlines will tell you how you can transport a firearm if you have to do that. But in terms of your carry-on, you cannot have a firearm inside your carry-on. That's definitely a no. You can carry food items, just not liquid food items. However, if you freeze the liquid, then you can take it as long as it remains in solid form when you take it through, which is kind of interesting, right? So you can do that. So that's a quick answer for this question. What can I take in my carry-on when I travel? And again, if you have any question, just go to tsa.gov, and that website typically is similar to what you can take worldwide. If you're not from the United States, you're not traveling out in or out of the United States. All right, this is Kerwin. Talk to you soon.